in the world is this? A new website called Coin Paprika is looking to really add some new features, clean up their entire interface, and really give the viewer, give the user more information simply and easy, and just kind of talking about it in this video. This new website, this new source of information for all of you crypto enthusiasts and crypto fiends out there, Coin Paprika is here. Let's check it out. Let's go through it in this video. All right. So a lot of people ask me, they say, hey, Patrick, where do you get your information from? Where do you research coins and cryptocurrencies and kind of look at charts and all of that fun stuff? Where do you go? Well, recently, back in the day, a lot of people went to, I'm not going to name it, but you probably have an idea of where people went to. But now I found Coin Paprika, and I think Coin Paprika is a much better, cleaner, simpler, and I just like it. It looks good. And I'm all about looks. Well, not all about looks, but I'm all about form and function. And Coin Paprika is doing just that. So really simply, let's look here. You can see you got basically all information. I like this couple information. I like how it's all, really simple, laid out there. You got the top market cap. You got everything going on there. And it's going to give you the 1 hour return, the 24-hour return, kind of the overall chart pattern, and then the 7-day return, which is kind of nice to see that right off the bat. If you're really kind of looking, researching coins and trying to figure out, what's going on, what's hot, what's not. And also, you got a couple of features. You can turn it to night mode, so it's black. I don't know. Do we like the white or do we like the black? Black's kind of cool, but we'll stay with white for now. So you have that option. If you want to change back and forth, you can do that. You've also got different languages. Should we go for some Russian? Oh, this is cool now. Now we can definitely figure this out. So we got a couple of different options in terms of languages as well up there. And then at the top, if you want to search, let's search. What are we going to search? Let's look up Digibyte. Old Digibyte. So it's going to give you all information there. It's going to give you a little breakdown. It's going to give you the website and then some of the kind of returns here. And it's also going to give you the options of kind of seeing some hashtags there. So let's just see if I click the hashtag here, what happens. So now there's a tag and I can pop up and see all the secure coins. So these are basically all the coins that are kind of working towards security and are focused on security, and it looks like I can actually suggest a tag there. Let's see if I just put a badass. Look at this. I'm going to put the badass tag there. All right, so they have to moderate. So it's not going to just add my badass tag, but I thought it was kind of cool if I could add the badass tag. But it is going to give you all the information. And like I said, it's cool to see kind of the yearly. And you have the live chart price there as well, kind of popping up and giving me information on what's been going on there. If I go back to Cali here, and I can put this to price USD. All right, so you can see kind of the overall chart, the history all the way back there to 2014. I'm going to give you some ideas here in terms of team-wise. You got the team over here. Digibyte, the price might not be increasing, but the hype around it is increasing. And it looks like you can see here, just looking at Reddit, how it's popping up there. Boom, boom, boom. And you got the news as well. It's kind of pulling from different places and gives you some links in terms of what's hot, what's new over there as well. It's also going to show me the exchanges, the markets, and kind of where the volume is and what's going on there. It looks like up a bit right now. Also, it looks like you got similar coins, which is kind of nice. So you can see here, it's going to give you kind of similar coins out there and kind of compare with that as well. So there's a lot of information, a lot of stuff going on this website. I just really started to dive into it. Well, this is actually a nice little feature as well. It'll pull up the code progress and kind of pull from GitHub and tell you kind of what's been going on in terms of progress and development, stuff like that. And you can see Digibyte kind of, moving around there. Digibyte's kind of a weird one because a lot of times they end up just pushing out all of the commits at the same time, all the updates and stuff. So you'll see, looks like nothing's going on for a while, and then boom, you get a big hit like that with the Coin Paprika. What happens if I add this to my favorites? All right, I added it to my favorites. I go back here. Oh, I can go over here. So now I have my favorites I can add up there. So if I have a couple different coins that I want to add, I can add them to my favorites as well. Got the return rates. Let me turn off here. And you can see kind of the return rates in terms of the yearly, the 3-month, the 30 days, and the 7-day, which is kind of cool. I also like this kind of feature. Okay, so I can see the all-time high. Where was the all-time high at, and where are we at in terms of how far are we down from the all-time high. So that's going to give me kind of an idea of, okay, you know, there's a lot of wiggle room here. I'm buying a massive dip, and there's definitely some room to fly here. A lot of times when I'm buying a coin on a dip, you know, for a swing, stuff like that, I really want to see that there's obviously, you know, some wiggle room there. I don't want to be buying right at the all-time high, which, you know, lately, I don't think anything's really been at all-time high lately. Obviously, Ethereum's going to have a lot more information on there. It's going to give you kind of the recent tags, give you the relevant websites, got the message board there, and kind of give you overall, you know, what's going on. Back in August of last year, you had about 114,000 subs there on Reddit. Now, looking about close to 400,000. So that's a pretty big jump there in the last year. Obviously, you know, Ethereum's been just making moves recently. There's another. Let's just kind of look through here and see some coins popping off. Oh, obviously, so Verge Coin. You know, Verge Coin's been having some massive news. It was the big porn coin. Well, look at Verge ever since the whole look at Verge ever since the whole porn announcement. I mean, obviously, it's still up over on the year. It's up 625%, which is crazy. But on the month, it's down 56%. And then weekly, it's down 32%. Obviously, cryptocurrency is getting crushed right now, but this is pretty cool just to kind of see how it all works and that overall progress. Looking at the code progress here, looks like nobody's working on Vergecoin. What is going on with Vergecoin? Is it dead? Is it a scam? I don't know. I don't want to get into that. But right now, it's cool that I can, you know, go and see all that information. I want to see, like I said, I want to see the progress. I want to see kind of where the coin ranks at versus other coins, and just give me some ideas. I can go down through here and see everything. See it all right there on the website, which is cool. And I want to see that. And then kind of, let's go back here. Can I go back here? All-time high. All right, so now I can see that Verge all-time high was 30 cents, which 6 months ago. When did it hit 30 cents? Did it hit 30? I don't think it hit 30 cents, did it? Did it hit 30 cents? Maybe on some crazy exchange, but I don't really think it hit 30 cents overall here. But you can see. You can see all the stuff. You can see all that information. Everything you want to see. This is, I think Coin Paprika is a great tool for when you first start looking into coins. When you first start looking into cryptocurrency coins that you want to invest in, check out Coin Paprika. You can get all kind of the breakdown on all the important things. Like I said, I want to see the all-time high. Where is the all-time high at? You know, where is the support at? I want to see that people are working on the coin. I want to see some progress. I want to see the events. What's going on with the events? I want to see Twitter. I want to see social media. I want to see all that stuff moving around. Because obviously, you know, if I'm buying this coin, I want to make sure there's a reason to buy it. I want to make sure there's a future. And you can kind of just get an idea of what's coming on there with Verge just by looking there and just clicking. Maybe you want it dark. I don't know. Do we like it dark? Do we like it white? It's kind of cool. I don't know. The night mode's kind of cool. We'll end it out here on the night mode. But I'm impressed. The guys at Coin Paprika are really focusing on the user experience, not just trying to fill the whole thing up with ads and just trying to blow everybody's face up with advertisements and a bunch of crap everywhere. They're really just putting it out there so you can see all the information, and that's what I want to see. I want to see everything that's on this screen right here. I think you can kind of just get an idea. I mean, obviously, the market is just getting crushed right now, so everything is red, red, red. Let's kind of look at the overall 7-day, you know, what's the biggest drop here? It looks like a 50% drop on Skycoin, a couple 40%ers, a couple 30%ers. You got Golem down 37%. So everything's getting crushed right now, but at least, you know, at least I can see everything. At least I can see it all there on the website and kind of get an idea overall. I can also see the market overview, give me an idea of what's been going on with the total coin market cap and Bitcoin, all of that fun stuff, and kind of give an idea of, okay, you know, what's up with the total market capitalization. You can see back there in January of 2018, the market was at $550 billion, and now we're down there to $146 billion, kind of around that $200 billion. So that's, ooh, it is crazy to see. It's kind of cool to see all this information. There's a lot of information to kind of dive into and read about and learn on the website here, and definitely interesting to see. You can see the dominance here moving around. At one point, you know, obviously back in December of 2017, Bitcoin was just booming, baby. And then you kind of had an altcoin rally and stuff was moving around. And then also, this is kind of cool too. See the top 10 losers in the last 24 hours, top 10 gainers in the last 24 hours. Looks like Swarmcoin is up 28% today. That is interesting. Let's find out more. Why is it up 28%? Look at this thing. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. So it looks like it's just been kind of bouncing around here from the 60s up there to almost $1 moving around. You can see some of the announcements like right there. I can see, okay, announcement. Swarm is proud to announce that we are launching tokens representing private equity in tech companies such as Robinhood, Ripple, and Didi, creating a secondary market for some of the biggest companies involved with crypto. So that looks like that was kind of the big news. That's why it's maybe popping today. And you can kind of just see overall, you know, what's going on with this coin. You can see a little bit of progress there, not a ton of GitHub stuff there. And then kind of figure out, you know, where does this end up at? Looks like it's kind of a utility token. And looks like the world's first platform to bridge digital currency and real assets. So I pretty much just got the full rundown on this coin, all the information I need to kind of think about, you know, maybe investing or maybe looking for a dip and stuff like that, and kind of get an idea of, you know, where to go. Also, I can click right there and go to the message board, and now I can read even more. So like I said, Coin Paprika, this website, I like it. I'm addicted. I might be spending some time on here. I might be spending some time on this website. Hopefully it doesn't just really suck me in. I got things to do. I got work to do, but this is definitely cool to dabble in, to look at all the information and all the stuff that's out there. I definitely like this top 10 gainers, top 10 losers, and kind of give me an idea of what is moving. Also, I can see what exchanges are moving around there the most. Interesting. So there it is, coinpaprika.com. You should check it out if you're using another type of website. I don't want to name it. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. The other website, if you're using that website, I definitely suggest checking out coinpaprika.com because I think you're going to be impressed because it's, like I said, it's really simple, clean, and easy. And there's a lot of information on the website. And that's really what it comes down to. If you want to be an investor, if you want to be a trader or stuff like that, you need information. You need to know what you're buying, what you're selling, and all that fun stuff. So there it is, Coin Paprika. I'm not sure where the name came from, but it's cool. I like it. You know, something different. And there it is. Check it out.